Hi guys, hope you guys are good. So, kia butu olawa sefasho sesitinya, like Prince Kaybee is saying. So, my auntie, unfortunately, I'm definitely not gonna swear at you. I'm not gonna say all this nasty stuff about you. Because I'm not about to stoop that low to your level. So, in 2021, I sent Prince Kaybee a song titled Already via email. I mentioned him on TikTok and also mentioned him on Messenger and DM'd him on Messenger. Fast forward 2024, I saw this challenge. Quite a lot of people have taken part in the challenge. But when I listened to it, I was like, no, man, this is my song. And I just wanted to make sure that I sent it to him. So I went back to Instagram to check. I mentioned him. I went to TikTok. I mentioned him. And when I tried to send him an email to say, bro, I sent you this in 2021, I found that I've already sent the song, of which I wasn't sure. That's why I had to go check. And I went on TikTok and mentioned him and said, bro, I sent you this song in 2021. At least let me be the one to jump on it. Mbuzis. Abutalena blocked me from the get-go. And from that moment, that's where okay, so he thinks he's smart. So I went on Facebook to expose what he did. And the first thing that he did was to swear at me. Like I said, abuti wasifata osisitinga. That's what he said. And again, oreseka isefebeseo asitle mostly say evidence. I did post the evidence, of which the evidence get email. And then there's another one here, the song being registered on Samro, and there's the Instagram and also TikTok. So I don't know. Me auti. Horohana gasutuzika sib. It's not going to help with anything. And I'm not going to be quiet because now you are big and a lot of people who face about they are at the top. I'm definitely not going to do that. If we do not stop you guys now, this will be a continuous thing to young and upcoming artists. Yes, you can say all this nasty stuff about me, and people again in the comment section saying all this nasty stuff about me. It's fine. I was expecting that when I posted on Facebook because it's given. It's always like that. They're always going to stand up for you and, you know, they are below you. It's fine. Keep them coming. But I'm just stating facts.